Hey everybody, thanks for checking out my video and welcome to my new subscribers. Thanks for doing that, for subscribing, definitely appreciated. Want to do some videos on products that I purchased in 2019 that really changed the game for me. This is going to be my first one. I've got it on these containers under here. They're all my detailing products. You can only see the top of this one here, but made for a good stand for this video. My first review is of this SpeedMaster Detailing Cart. It's just plain awesome. It works really, really well. It's built really well, really strong. According to the description, it's a polyurethane top in pieces here that it's made out of. It is very solid. Comfortable, surprisingly comfortable. There's no cushion on the top, but it's surprisingly comfortable when you're using it. I used it multiple times. It's great for doing detailing the sides of cars, working on motorcycles. It's great for. I got this one at a great price. I got it for $58 shipped. All I did is wait for a sale. Found a sale. It had 25% off and free shipping. So I got it for $58. It's regularly $79.99. I noticed right today there's a sale on detailedimage.com, 25% off plus shipping if you're interested. The cart is very handy to use, and as I mentioned, very comfortable. It has a storage compartment in it, which I will take out. I use it mainly for, I put my microfiber towels in it because I'm always using the I might use one microfiber towel for buffing, one for applying, so I just use the one, put it in here, and use it for that. These side panels, I don't know how well you'll be able to see them. You can't see the top, of course. Let's take it out. They are so-so. They do pop right out. This back one here, each side has got the same thing. That's perfect for fitting like detail spray or anything holding your rounded products. This one over here is pretty much good for nothing. I don't know why it's there. These are the compartments here. If you're a mechanic working on, say, like a motorcycle, you could drop screws in there for keeping screws separate or something like that. But as far as for car detailing, has no purpose whatsoever. My recommendation on this would have been maybe having one side with this, the other side don't have these separations in here, so somebody can drop like brushes in there for detailing. So, but still an overall great product. I don't regret in any way getting it. Wheels with the bearings, very sturdy. The cart rolls really well. I've been in situations where I've been on a dirt driveway where it works really well, or on blacktop, works super. You'll lock the wheels if you want. I never have, but that option is there. As I mentioned, it's super comfortable. If you wanted to make up like a cushion top, you could. Just cut something out of foam or something, put it on there, but says I don't need it. I'd be the first to get uncomfortable sitting on a stool like this if it wasn't comfortable, and believe me, I had no problems whatsoever, not even a thought of it being uncomfortable. There are other knockoffs other than the SpeedMaster. I know Griot's Garage has one of their own. I know I've seen another, Adams Polishes. Another one, I guarantee it's the exact same one, just with a different decal on it. So whichever one you can get the best deal on, which more than likely is going to be SpeedMaster. I got this one from AutoGeek.com last year and used it multiple times. As I mentioned, it is great. Absolutely great. I just love it. As I mentioned, built very solid. It's put together really well. You'll see that if you get one. Construction is very sturdy, very strong. Looks like it'll last for years. I wouldn't leave it outside or anything like that. I mean, take a little care of it. I haven't cleaned this off once since I've had it. I just keep it inside. So, there you have it. SpeedMaster Detailing Tools Detailing Cart. Definitely recommend purchasing this. I can think of a guy that I watch, detailer now, who doesn't have one, who definitely could use one. Would do him a lot of good. So, have a good one. Thanks for checking out my video. There'll be more in this series of products that I purchased in 2019 that were very beneficial to me. I've got a wax and a polish and some Adams polishes stuff, and definitely worth subscribing, finding out what really worked for me and has worked for others also. Thanks for checking out my video. Have a good one.